The BELEEV C2 Toddler Balance Bike is designed to help young children develop crucial motor skills such as balance and coordination, making the transition to a pedal bicycle much smoother. This bike features eye-catching LED lights on the wheels that illuminate without batteries, providing a fun and vibrant riding experience for kids both indoors and outdoors. With its adjustable handlebars and seat, the bike grows alongside your child, accommodating heights and inseams of various sizes, ensuring longevity of use and comfort. Constructed with a sturdy carbon steel frame, the bike can support up to 110 pounds, offering stability and safety with its non-slip handlebars and a comfortable PU padded seat. Weighing only 8.3 pounds, the lightweight design allows children to easily maneuver the bike, making it convenient to transport and store. The easy assembly process, requiring no tools, means kids can start enjoying their new bike almost immediately, encouraging early independence and exploration.